Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how we can clear cache automatically in a Telegram application. Okay, let's get into it. First thing first, we can go to our Telegram application. And now my Telegram application has been opened and we have to open the Telegram setting. You can click on these three lines on the top left, then just click on settings. Okay, in the settings we have choose like the data and storage setting. Okay, then click on the storage usage, and here you have to scroll down a little bit until you find the maximum cache size. And here, as you can see, that I choose no limit, and if we want to clear the cache automatically, we have to set limit for the maximum cache size. And for me, I'm gonna go with this 5 GB. Here you can read the explanation. If your cache size exceed the limit, the oldest unused media will be removed from the device and the cache will be removed from your Telegram storage automatically. Alright guys, and that's how we can clear cache automatically in Telegram application. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.